How to clean a toaster oven. It starts with just a few crumbs and ends with a fire. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Every year, thousands of kitchen fires start from a neglected toaster oven. Something we use daily, without a second thought, can actually be a hidden hazard. But the solution? Surprisingly simple. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip that could save your home, or even your life. The hidden story of your toaster oven. Have you ever opened your toaster oven only to see a mess of burnt crumbs, grease splatters, and that mysterious layer of blackened goo? You shut the door, pretending it's not there, telling yourself, "I'll clean it next time." But weeks go by, and nothing changes. We've all done it, because cleaning a toaster oven feels like one of those annoying, unnecessary chores. But here's the truth no one tells you. Neglecting it is like leaving a candle burning on your curtain. Sounds extreme? It's not. Let me take you back to something I heard recently. A woman in her 30s, busy, juggling kids and work, left her house for just 10 minutes while the toaster oven was still warm from breakfast. A forgotten crumb on the heating coil started smoking. By the time she came back, her kitchen was full of black smoke. She got lucky, it didn't escalate. But it could have. That's the emotional reality behind this forgotten task. What's lurking inside? When was the last time you looked inside your toaster oven? Really looked? The oil splatter on the walls, the melted cheese fossilized onto the bottom rack, the smell when you turn it on and it burns something old. That smell? It's not just unpleasant, it's a warning sign. You see, over time, those food particles become highly flammable. One tiny spark or overheating element, and things can go wrong, fast. But the worst part? Most people have no idea this risk even exists. So today, we're going to change that. The 4-step ritual to a safe, sparkling oven. Let's start the process. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First, unplug your toaster oven. This seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget. Electricity and water, not a great combo? Step 2, remove the crumb tray and racks. These are the hot spots for gunk. Soak them in hot, soapy water. If the grime is stubborn, sprinkle a little baking soda and give it a gentle scrub. These small actions, they're the difference between hygiene and hazard. Now, step 3, clean the interior. Never spray cleaner directly inside. Instead, use a mix of warm water and vinegar or dish soap. Dampen a cloth and gently wipe the surfaces. For burnt-on residue, make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply it. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then wipe clean. It's almost satisfying, watching the dirt melt away. Step 4, wipe the exterior. We often focus only on the inside, but the knobs, handle, and door glass, they carry bacteria too. A simple antibacterial wipe does the trick. And one last thing people always forget, check under the oven. That little gap can trap food and crumbs. A quick vacuum or cloth swipe can remove a year's worth of forgotten mess. What happens if you don't? You might be thinking, okay, but what's the worst that could happen? Well, grease fires don't always start in greasy pans. They often start in hidden places, like the corner of your toaster oven. And even if there's no fire, the lingering smell, the bacteria buildup, and the effect on your food's taste, it's real. Let me ask you, how would you feel if you served a snack to a friend, and they found a piece of last week's burnt cheese stuck underneath? Embarrassing, right? Cleaning your toaster oven isn't just about safety, it's about dignity, about feeling good in your kitchen, about confidence. Bonus tip, make it a ritual. Here's the trick, don't wait for the mess to pile up. After every 3 to 4 uses, just take a moment to empty the crumb tray and give it a quick wipe. It takes less than 2 minutes, and it prevents 90% of the buildup. And if you're serious about keeping your kitchen spotless, even on busy days, I've got something special for you. I've put together a 100% free top 10 cleaning products guide and an emergency speed cleaning checklist that every busy woman needs. Go to https://www.school.com, Kelly's Clubhouse, and sign into our free community made for women, where we share cleaning hacks, emotional support, and real-life solutions that actually work. Once inside, you will have access to our 100% free top 10 cleaning products guide and an emergency speed cleaning checklist that every busy woman needs. Whether you're prepping for guests, cleaning up after kids, or just want your home to feel fresh again, this list will save your sanity. In the end, it's not just about a toaster oven. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are. organized, safe, and full of care. Because when your environment feels clean, your mind feels calmer, and you deserve that peace of mind. So the next time you walk past your toaster oven, don't ignore it. Show it a little love. It takes just a few minutes, but it could save you from a very real disaster. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tips that simplify your life. Drop a comment if you want more deep dives into everyday topics that really matter. This is Kelly, signing off, and reminding you, a clean kitchen isn't a luxury, it's self-care.